if I were to continue and put the 2-inch on top of this, it would be too high. It'd be a step. That would be good. People would be tripping over it. So my trick is I'm going to use the 1-inch board, just 3 pieces, to put in here because it perfectly is the same height as the ones that are already existing. Here's the actual demonstration of pushing this board against the other and then screwing it in place. I got a slightly bigger fulcrum here. So, okay, watch this gap disappear. Whoops, wrong drill. Correct drill. And so the final piece of this deck is the last 2 large pieces that will go in between. So we're going to do it the folded down method. I just came up with that. So it's going to be a very tight fit. So you have them both kind of standing, kind of like an A-frame, like a triangle. And you push down in the middle, and they both go in place, in theory. So they're in my A position. Going to push down. Hopefully they just right in place. I didn't practice this. Well, I did practice it once, but here we go. Get in there. There. Nothing a few screws won't hold in place. So, okay, we're about to start the painting process. We're going to go with an olive green. I think it's going to look good. That color contrasted with brown, I think it's going to look pretty nice. Not in the way that you do all the things that you say that you do.